So now we're going to use Fiji to open an image, add a scale bar and save. While we do that, we'll also have a look at some of the key functions that ImageJ has in the menu. So we'll double left click on the Fiji shortcut on our desktop, and then we get the Fiji menuing window open up at the top of the screen here. There's a few elements that might be worth looking at. We can see we've got the menu system along the top. If I left click on that menu, then I can move around the menus and open up the sub menus with my mouse. Click on the screen to get rid of that. We've also got some fast menus with pictures, little icons on them to make it easier to navigate. In the bottom right hand corner there's a little arrow, and if we right click on them we open up the menuing system that comes down from that, and then we can make our choices from there. As we move over these icons we can see information about each of them and what gives us some idea about what they do. And we've got a little menu bar here, so if we type open it'll give us information about how we open something, which is what we're going to do later on. I'm not going to explore that today, but we can just close the window down by clicking on the cross in the top right hand corner. So now we're going to open a file, and we're going to open the negative stain file in the .dm3 format. So we click on that and it opens pretty instantaneously on this system, and we can see an image. It's a negative staining image of human antibodies in Gatan's proprietary DM3 file format. So we can see where the cursor is on the image because there's a little cross. It's a bit subtle here, but we want to add a scale bar. So I already know that the scale bar is in the Analyze menu, so left click on Analyze. We go down to Tools and move down to Scale Bar. So as soon as we put the scale bar in, we can see that we've got a little scale bar in the corner. 53 nanometers long. We don't want it to be that, so we're going to add 100 because that's a round number that makes sense, and it takes up a reasonable length of the image, so it's easy to imagine how much it would cover. And just to make it look a bit bigger, we're going to change that from an 8 to a 32, and we can see that's a lot thicker, so it's much easier to see. So now that we're happy with that, we're going to press OK. So if we save that image now, we're going to save the scale bar onto it. So we go to Save As, so you can change the format to JPEG, and here we go. I'm going to put scale bar on it so that we know that it's different. It's an altered image. We don't want to lose our raw data or too much, so we might want to use this image for something else later. So if we've got the disk space, it's good to do that. I'm just going to close that image down, and then if I open this file, we can see we've got it saved there, and if I double click on that, Windows will open it with the scale bar on its photo software. So we can close that down as well, we don't need that, and that's the end of the exercise.